We are weaponizing the thermosphere. Above our heads, dense swarms of satellites orbit in formation, weaving an invisible fence across the planet. This is not science fiction. It is the new reality of border control. Traditional checkpoints, patrols, and radar stations are becoming relics of the past. In their place, a celestial cage that never sleeps, a surveillance architecture that redefines sovereignty itself. In 2025, the launch surge of sub-meter resolution satellites erased the last blind spots. Remote deserts, jungles, mountain passes, once havens for untraceable crossings, are now under constant watch. Border enforcement has shifted from reactive patrols to proactive orbital intercepts. Heat signatures are tracked in real time. Movements are logged long before anyone reaches a physical boundary. This is the rise of the virtual wall, a wall without bricks, without barbed wire, but with total visibility. These swarms are not passive eyes in the sky. They are equipped with AI-driven synthetic aperture radar. They see through clouds, foliage, and storms. Every step is detected, catalogued, and handed off seamlessly to ground units. Low Earth orbit constellations create a custody chain of surveillance. From orbit to Earth, every move is monitored, every crossing anticipated. The sky itself has become a permanent checkpoint. But this revolution comes at a cost. Orbital trespassing, when one nation's satellites monitor another's sovereign territory, has become routine. In 2026, data-sharing pacts between private corporations and national security agencies bypassed privacy laws entirely. For civilians and migrants, the psychological impact is profound. Life under an unblinking celestial eye means the death of privacy. The era of the untraceable crossing is officially over. Every journey is logged. Every movement is archived. And the thermosphere is no longer just a scientific frontier. It is a tactical high ground. Satellites now carry active denial payloads, disrupting unauthorized communications in border zones. The risks are immense. Nations scramble to blind rival swarms, raising the specter of orbital debris and kinetic escalation. A single strike could cascade into thousands of fragments, crippling global networks. Space is becoming weaponized, not in theory, but in practice. What does this mean for human flow across the globe? Stealth transit technologies and adversarial AI will emerge, designed to spoof or cloak movement. But can they outpace the panopticon above? Will total visibility lead to efficient migration management, or a permanent state of global incarceration? Geography itself is being rewritten. Borders are no longer lines on a map. They are monitored checkpoints covering every inch of the Earth. Every valley, every coastline, every hidden trail is under orbital custody. Orbital hegemony is here. It challenges sovereignty. It dissolves privacy. It reshapes human movement under the gaze of swarms that never blink. The sky has become the new frontier of power. And in this frontier, every crossing is traceable. Every move is logged. Every border is redefined. This is the death of geopolitical privacy. This is the rise of celestial fences. This is orbital hegemony.